Hey y'all, how are you all doing on today? I hope you all are doing good. Today I had this wig I was sent from Yolissa Hair. They sent me out their Water Wave 13 by 6 3D lace frontal wig. This is a 30-inch wig and the density is 250% density. I will have all of the links and details in the description box if you're interested in this company or this unit. This wig did come pre-plucked, but I did go in. I bleached my knots and I did go back in and pluck the hairline more to my liking as well. I of course went ahead and styled the wig before installing it. I like doing it that way. It's much easier for me and it's quicker for me. To do my baby hairs, I did use a combination of Lotta Body foaming mousse and the Eco Styler olive oil gel in the green jar. Don't say my name in vain. I'm so glad that you came. All these bad bitches getting slang. Broke ass nigga get a clue. All these niggas know how we do. Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to sway. Alright y'all, so I did sit my wig underneath a hooded dryer to dry the baby hairs and all of that faster. If you don't have one, of course you can leave yours to dry overnight, but I just put mine in the dryer to dry faster. I did go in with some water and a little bit of foaming mousse to define the waves and the curls of the hair. So I went ahead and did that as well. I love the curl pattern of this hair. Oh my god, I loved it so much. Like, it made me feel so freaking grown and sexy. Okay, like I felt so good. I got so many compliments on this wig. Everywhere I went, people told me that my hair looked amazing or looked great. And right here I'm showing y'all me cutting my lace. I do use my manicure scissors to nip away the lace. I don't cut straight across. I cut, like, I nip it, so I cut it like jagged, because I don't want mine to be straight across. And I also make sure to take my time so I don't cut any hairs off or too much lace while I'm doing this. So I do take my time. Some young niggas like to sway. Some young niggas like to sway. Alright y'all, so this is the wig. It does come with 3 combs and an adjustable band. Again, this is their 3D technology, so it is a 13 by 6, but I guess it kind of, I don't know, it's like it's half of the crown is the frontal portion and then the back is where the wefts is at. I hope I made sense. I do like the construction of the wig. You get a lot of parting space, which I freaking love, which makes your wig look even more natural. This lace did come really light. I'm assuming it's their transparent lace. I'm not for sure, but it does look like it. So I did have to go in and tint my lace to get it to match my skin tone perfectly. I will of course show you all that part. But I am using my bedhead hard head spray to put on my wig as usual. Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take a little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shawty pray. When the money talks, what is there to say? After applying my wig, of course, I go in and comb out my baby hairs because I don't like them to be stuck from when I put my wig on. So I am combing those out. And y'all already know I'm using my makeup powder to tint my lace. That's all I use. This is the Ruby Kisses. I think the powder shade is cognac, if I am not mistaken. And then I'm going to take my concealer that matches my skin tone as well, and I'm putting that in the part to help that blend as well. I did just want to shape and mold my baby hairs just a tad, so to not use any harsh products or like hard products, I'm using my Sebastian shaper hairspray. I love using that when I don't want like a hard finish. It leaves your baby hair still fluffy and able to move, but it keeps them in place. So I do love using that. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shawty brains. When the money talks, what is there to say? Slow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. And to finish everything off, I'm taking my Organics coconut oil hydrating spray just to give me some nice shine and hydration. And I wanted to show y'all here like how far back the parting goes in this wig, so you get a lot of parting space, which is awesome. But yeah, y'all, that is all I did to install and style this wig. Super easy, super freaking pretty, super flowy, lightweight but full. Okay, this is 250% density. I will say this wig is a 30-inch. When I measure mine, because I did measure mine, it was like a 28. I'm not mad, but I do understand, if you want all your inches, I wanted to let y'all know, just be, on the lookout for that. But mine was 28, okay, but it still looked good. I loved it. If you're interested in this wig, please be sure again to check out the description for the links and all the information. Yolissa Hair, thank you so much for sending me out this wig. I freaking enjoyed it. It was a beautiful wig, beautiful texture. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. Love y'all so much. Bye. Take it to the grave.